Hello students, Miss Lyman here with your notes on Unit 1, Section 5, and specifically in this video we're going to be talking about accuracy. So I want you to think about your other classes and what it means to be accurate. For example, your history or your science class, psychology, whatever. What do we think about with accuracy? So with math, we have a specific definition for accuracy, and in math, accuracy has to deal with our measuring tools and how accurate they are. So let's just add that in. So in math, accuracy has to deal with measuring tools. So let's look at that a bit more specifically. If I look at this ruler here, and let's assume that we're measuring in centimeters, if I'm trying to measure the length of this line, then it looks to me that it's somewhere about 7.6 or 7.7 centimeters. And no matter how much bigger I make it, because my ruler is only measuring in millimeters, that's about as much as I can tell. So I could say that I think it's, I don't know, I'm going to go with, it looks like it ends here at the 7.7 millimeters, or sorry, 7.7 centimeters. So I'm going to slide this out of the way and say that our length, if we switch over to our pen, it looks to me like the length is about, and so I'm using my squiggles, not my equals, to show about 7.7 centimeters. Of course, 7.7 centimeters is equal, and now I can use equal because 7.7 centimeters is equal exactly to 77 millimeters. Well, if I'm asked how accurate this measurement is, because I'm only measuring in millimeters, then I can only be accurate to the nearest half millimeter. So I say that my length, my measurement, is 77 millimeters plus or minus half a millimeter. So the actual measure is going to be between 77 minus a half millimeters and 77 plus a half millimeters, which is of course 76.5 millimeters and 77.5 millimeters. So in this case, I'm only accurate to the nearest half a millimeter. So let's go back and amend our definition then, and to say, we say that measurements are only accurate to within plus or minus half a unit. So there's our definition of what it means to be accurate within math. Let's spread that all the way down. And that's your video on accuracy.